When it comes to learning Marcel, you want to learn without the hair first. So put your 3 fingers, the middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger on the outside of the handle. The pointer finger is on the inside of the handle, and then the thumb is bracing the Marcel itself. Once you have your fingers in the right placement, you'll want to start practicing the gator chomp. This is the movement you're going to be using often, and not only to get the hair in, but also once you have the hair on the barrel, that's how you make more room for the length of the hair. So just practice that gator chomp. After you get that under control, then you want to practice the scoop or the C, and that is a movement you're going to use a lot. We'll show you from the top view. That's a movement you'll use a lot to tame the roots. Once you get the roots on there, then you're going to turn the tail with the iron, and you're using your other hand. That's to get the tail out of the way. The tail should always be below the mid shaft. So now we're showing you the little mini gator chomp. Once the hair's already in the clamp, if you open it too much, it'll fall out of the Marcel. So you do these little clamps to make more room and get the hair further up on the barrel, and it gives you room to curl the ends. It's a good skill to be able to turn with one hand, but not everybody can do it right away, so it's okay to use your other hand when you're first practicing. You do want to keep the barrel up towards the ceiling, and this prevents from burning the scalp. Now let's watch on a real head of hair. So I'm going to do that scoop and turn, move the tail out of my way. Now I'm going to do little gator chomps to give myself more room. Then I turn, little gator chomps, and then turn. Now you'll hold in this position and check the outside for the heat that you want. If you can touch it pretty easily with your fingers, then it hasn't held long enough. So you'll want to feel that heat on the mid shaft. Okay, I'm turning that tail out of my way. Little gator chomps to make more room. Turn, little gator chomps to make more room, and then turn.